Morning, ladies. Oh, I feel like it's been raining like nonstop for the last week. I finally put out our rain gauge yesterday. I'll show you that in just a second, but we had over an inch yesterday. It's just ridiculous. This yard is a mess. Our poor chicken yard is disgusting. You can tell where the waves of water were coming down. It stinks too. We've got like, that's so nasty. So, needless to say, we haven't been spending a whole lot of time outside lately. But, check this out. Our pool has thousands of tadpoles. They line up around the side. They're kind of floating there in the middle. They're just everywhere. Some of them are big, some of them are small. It's going to be interesting whenever they start to be frogs. They just go all the way around. It's silly. Silly, ridiculous. Tadpoles everywhere. Guess we won't be swimming in that pool this year, and if we do, it'll be later on because we don't want to kill all those little tadpole babies. My garden is just grown so crazy since all this rain. Check this out. There is my cucumbers. There's some tomatoes. I'll walk around to my melons or my cantaloupes. 2 little cantaloupes. 1, 2. And then there's a combination of peppers. Oh my gosh, look, I already have a pepper on that one. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. See it right there? Man, that happened fast. Those are the purple ones, so it's not quite ready yet. But this tomato I'm hoping is the champagne bubbles one. And if not that one, then I hope this one. I'm gonna leave these 2. Look at those ones are getting flowers on them. There's still quite a lot of tomatoes. Do you guys know what those are? These big things that look like lily pads. I've got a couple of them, but I don't know what they are. The potatoes are doing really well. And these guys, what are these guys? Radishes. What is this? That's bizarre, isn't it? I wonder if I left this package out. They all just grew from the package. That's so crazy. I didn't think there was anything left in there, but I guess there was. St. John's wort. I'm kind of excited about that. My shallots. Lettuces. I did the same thing here. Crap. Look at that. That's so nuts. All right, well, do your thing, little lettuces. And these are supposed to be the milkweed or something like that. Flowers, but I don't know. It doesn't really look like flowers to me. They kind of look like grass, but here's tomatoes, or potatoes, I'm sorry. Potatoes are doing well. This weed is doing really well. How green my strawberries, my overflowing strawberries are. one's really appreciating all this rain we're having. The strawberries that have overflowed my container are doing better than the ones inside my container. Freedom! Look at all this rain, okay? This was empty a couple days ago. Now it's got mosquito larvae in it, so I'm gonna dump it again too. Grrr. Ew, look at all those bugs. I don't mind the frogs, but I don't want the mosquitoes. Oh, gross. Okay. Oy, oy, oy. So much water everywhere. It's definitely the rainy season. It's hard to do anything outside whenever it's like this. Anyway, the ground is really soft. You probably can't tell, but yeah. That tomato, so cute. This one over here has got a bunch of them. Dang, yeah, they're doing good. Look at these big guys down here. Sweet. This one's tall too. Almost my height. I should come out here and do some of these prunings. Like I said, I just have been sitting inside because it's been raining so much. Very nice. Yeah, and if you guys can tell me what these are, they're super soft. That'd be really helpful. And then my green beans here are doing pretty good. And their little happy community over here. My forest of tomatoes. And then these two giant whatever they are. Along with all of the ground cherries that have volunteered. They're doing work behind our house on the water tower. So there's like a truck sitting right here. It's kind of creeping me out. I'm gonna show you this rain gauge real quick. This was just from yesterday. Isn't that crazy? An inch already, just from yesterday. I guess I could dump it, start over. It's like a mud puddle out here. It's disgusting. But anyway, I'm gonna sign off here, guys. Hope you guys are staying dry. Oh, look at my flowers. I haven't ever planted them, but they're blooming and they're so beautiful. And they're droopy, so I need to do something with them because obviously they're not appreciating having to hold up their own necks, but I just think they're gorgeous. Anyway, okay, that's gonna do it for today. I hope you guys are staying dry. I hope you guys are being productive and staying well. And thank you for hanging out with me this morning. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.